So you've decided to invest in stocks. Better use Plus500 Invest.
What?
He meant to say why. Because trading with Plus500 is like getting into that exclusive party that you weren't even invited to. Plus, having someone there you can count on. Or trying bridge for the very first time. Plus, knowing Grandma's on your team.
Hi, Grandma.
Or meeting other intelligent life forms. Plus, being able to communicate with them. He likes your shirt. Or jumping off a cliff. Plus, having wings.
A goose?
Works for me.
I get it. It's like catching your parents in an intimate moment.
Ew.
Plus, go.
Stop right there.
Introducing Plus500 Invest, the Plus500 trading app, now with stock trading.
Plus500. It's trading with a plus. Block. Plus. Block. Plus. Plus. Boop.